Hello and welcome back. We're having non-farm payroll data is going to release today. And ahead of that, we are having opportunity setting up over there on gold. But before going to look at that, if anyone wants to join us, just simply visit wave-trader.com. Check the membership levels or fill that form and send that to me for further information. Okay, now let's move on and look at the calendar. So we can see that the non-farm payroll number is going to be released today at 1:30 p.m. So projection is 169, and if you're going to look at the trend, all these three trends, so average is average hourly earnings is just simply holding 0302 areas, all right, and we can see there that the trend is also declining, right? So the labor market is slowing down. And if you're going to look at the unemployment rate is not picking up, right? So unemployment rate is also stuck at 350, and Fed wanted to push up, all right? So we're expecting again labor market to be slow down today, all right? So numbers to be not to be good enough, and ahead of that we can see that dollar is losing its ground, specifically against the gold, all right? So this is the gold chart. We are expecting gold to continue to keep pushing more higher, at least all the way up to this previous high, all right? This previous high, at least visit that high. So we are having this formation, this simple ABC move, and this daily drop broke out nicely from there and heading towards that. Let me look at the previous charts. So this is where we were having buy opportunity was setting up over there on gold. Okay, we have seen significant strength on silver. Silver just went higher, and gold was lagging. So there we can see that the gold was when gold started to break out, right? We were expecting gold to continue to keep pushing more higher and continue to keep going all the way. So we got these breakouts, and gold, there we can see that the breakout came over there for the next leg, and gold was pushing higher. So it was after this breakout in the previous weekly market outlook, we were expecting gold to break out, and we got a breakout, and another correction was just setting up over there on gold. On this 15-minute time frame, we got a breakout of that 15-minute time frame correction for upside. Okay, so these are the previous charts. Hopefully you understand that what has happened over there. Okay, we're expecting gold to bounce back similar like silver did, right? So for our correction broke out here, and the next 15-minute correction also broke out for upside. This is the updated chart, daily time frame. If I'm gonna go to the lower time frame, there we got the breakout of this, the descending wedge or falling wedge or bearish wave. We got a nice breakout, and another sideways market for our time frame. Nice breakout happened over there. This is the 15-minute time frame correction broke out. Now there we are having another 4-hour time frame correction, or 1-hour time frame correction is just simply setting up over there, similarly like these previous one. And during the non-farm payroll data to be bad, and you are looking it to break out for another leg higher, okay, and continue to keep pushing more higher. Very much similar like that kind of move you are searching over there during the non-farm payroll, and the goal to visit 1980. Okay, so if I'm gonna look at the further lower time frame, 1-hour time frame, correction is just simply happening over there. Once price you can even get into the market before the non-farm payroll, all right, if price visit these areas ahead of the non-farm payroll, okay, and looking for this to break out and continue within these areas, all right, or you can get into the market wants price breakout very, very aggressively, very much similar like that, all right, or these, and looking to continue to keep pushing more higher. This is the setup, all right, ahead of the non-farm payroll. It's setting up over there. The correction is just simply setting up for a breakout for another leg higher, and the condition for this trade setup is that the non-farm, the labor data to be bad, all right. These numbers shouldn't be good enough. If we are going to see, you know, good numbers here, all right, if these numbers are going to be, I mean, if non-farm payroll, if employment change, if these numbers are going to be big over there, and even average hourly earning is also going to be good, and unemployment rate is also going to be good, so this is not going to give us a breakout on the gold, right? So Fed wants this market to slow down, so labor market to slow down, right? And already we have jobs opening data that dropped, right? And ADP, let me look at that data. All right, so ADP also dropped, ADP numbers dropped, and jobs job opening dropped. There we can see, yeah, so these are telling us that the labor market is slowing down. There we can see that we have seen a huge miss over there this week. Okay, so the trend is down, so looking for those numbers to be bad and a strong breakout and gold to continue to keep pushing more higher. So in case if labor market is going to be strong, yeah, and then we may see another leg lower and gold can visit this low. So we are not looking that trade, okay? We won't be interested to sell the gold for this move, so we will let that to go. You can trade on that direction, but if you want, but this is not what we are looking for, okay? We will ignore that and we'll let that to go there. So we are only preparing for this to break out and continue to keep pushing more higher. Hope that makes sense and you got the idea that what you are looking and during the non-farm payroll. Okay, thank you.